Hello friends, I am Professor S.R. Shinde from Kekiva College of Agriculture Business Management, Nashik. In today's lecture, we are going to study about cropping system and its interactions. When different crops are grown in association as intercrop, some interaction may be occur. So it is a response of one species to the environment changed by the other species, that is called as interaction. Types of interactions are competitive interaction, non-competitive interaction, complementary interaction, and allelopathy. Let's see one by one. First is competitive interaction. When one type of species have greater ability to use the resources and will gain at the expenses of other, it is also called as interference. Next is non-competitive interaction. When the crops are grown in association and the growth of either of the species is not affected. Next type is complementary interaction. If one species is helping other species of crop. Next is allelopathy. Any direct or indirect harmful effect that one plant has on the other through the production of chemical substances or toxins into the root environment is called as allelopathy effect. For example, root exudate of sunflower has harmful effect on germination of succeeding crops. Let's see the interaction in intercropping. First is solar radiation. Intercropping can increase light interception by as much as 30 to 40%. The taller crop in the intercropping system intercepts most of the solar radiation while shorter component suffers. In some cropping systems, both crops utilize solar radiation efficiently. In groundnut red gram intercropping, light interception is prolonged as red gram starts growing after harvesting of groundnut crop. In case of maize and green gram intercropping, green gram flowers in 35 days after sowing and harvest 65 days after sowing. Peak light demand for maize occurs at 60 days after sowing when green gram is ready to harvest. Next is water and nutrient. Competition of water and nutrient may occur in intercropping. The roots of less competitive crops may grow less on the side aggressive crops. Next is allelopathy. Any direct or indirect harmful effect that one plant has on other through the production of chemical substances or toxins into the root environment is called as allelopathy effect. It is having two types, true allelopathy and functional allelopathy. True allelopathy means direct or indirect harmful effect on the other crops through the release of toxic substances as such from the plant. Functional allelopathy means when precursor is released by plant which converted into active substance by some microorganisms and it causes the toxic effect on other plant. Allelopathy observed in two ways, allo-inhibition and auto-inhibition. Allo-inhibition means the chemical released by one species inhibits of plant other than one releasing. Auto-inhibition means the chemical released by one species may inhibit the plant of the producer species itself. Next is anidation. Anidation is complementary use of resources by exploiting the environmental supplies is different ways by the component of a community, or it may be referred to complementary interaction which occurs in space and time. There are two types of annotations. First is annotations in space and next is annotations in time. The example of annotation in space is multi-storied cropping in coconut and planting of shade trees in coffee, tea and cocoa. And examples under annotation in time is sorghum, red gram, groundnut, red gram and maize, green gram intercropping system. So this is about annotation. Let's see the interaction in sequential cropping. That first is solar radiation. In intensive multiple cropping, competition for light may not occur as a sole crop is sown at a time. Then next is effect of preceding crop on the following crops. In sequential cropping, the preceding crop has considerable influence on the succeeding crop, mainly due to changes in soil conditions, presence of allelopathic chemicals, shift in breeds, and carryover effects of pest and diseases. There are three type of effects. There is first one is legume effect, then cotton effect, and sorghum effect. So friends, this is about cropping system and its interactions. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.